cumin egg beans rice casserole or cumin egg beans rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the wild rice casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans casserole recipes. Today we're going to make cumin egg beans rice casserole. We have taken 2 boiled eggs which we have boiled in water and taken off the shells, and around 100 grams of long yard beans which we have cut into pieces, 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Turmeric. You can saute. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Put in the ginger. Put in salt taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt. Put in 2 spoons of cumin. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in salt taste. Mix. Thoroughly saute mix. Beans pieces. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Salt. Put in a spoon of chili powder. Salt and mix. Put in the 2 boiled eggs. Thoroughly mix. Salt and mix properly. Put in 2 cups of water. Thoroughly mix. And let it boil. A cup of washed and soaked rice into the mixture. Mix and let the rice cook with the for 25 minutes in the casserole. After cooking for the required time, put in the curry leaves as toppings. Now the cumin, egg, beans, rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cumin, egg, beans, rice casserole, or cumin, egg, beans, rice ball. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the beans casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.